Hang on, wait, what am I supposed to do? Wait, are we rolling?
We are rolling.
Oh, man. Okay, so we're doing an experiment called overwhelming
Light.
Yeah, overwhelming light, guys. That's
All right.
what she said.
Hey, Russell fam, you need a flashlight, a box, some tape, scissors, a pen, and a dark room.
Which we can flicker lights
We'll
off.
turn the lights off. All right, so we have already done this, but what you're going to do is you are going to tape down the top of your box. Our box doesn't have a top, so we didn't tape it down. But we find the two sides of the box that are the farthest apart from one another. Bailey, where are the parts that are farthest apart?
Here is where we're going to stick the flashlight in here.
All right, and then the other end, so that's the other farthest. Okay, so on one of the sides, use the scissors to cut a hole
We already did.
just slightly bigger than your flashlight. All right, so turn it around so I can see it. There you go. And then take the flashlight, and it's just a little bit bigger. Sissy, can you reach it? Yep, it goes right in there just like that. All right, good job. All right, then you turn around the box on the other side. Can you pull the flashlight out, sis? All right, and on the other side, you're going to use a pen to punch a few holes in the box. You can make a pattern however you want. We chose to make a smiley face. All right, we're going to go to a dark room with the lights on and put the flashlight into the hole. All right, so let's move the scissors and the pen off the top of the box. And hand me the scissors, the tape. Just get everything out of the way. There we go. Thank you.
Okay.
So now what we're going to do is, Sissy, turn the flashlight on and put it in the box. All right, and Bailey, if you will turn the lights off for us. All right, so now, we gotta tilt it up just a little bit. Now what do we see?
Russell fan, that is awesome.
Hang
Where
on.
is it? The flash. Sorry,
The box
Russell
is,
fan.
we're in the dark. Hang on.
Technical difficulties. Hey. Yeah, there it is.
Hang on.
Uh,
There we go. There we go.
That's what we
Somebody's in front of it. We are in the dark.
I'm not in front of it.
All right, you see the smiley face? There we go.
Yes.
Somehow we're missing an eye for some strange reason. All right.
Yeah, that's bright. It's definitely bright.
All right, Bailey, if you will turn the light back on.
I got the flashlight.
All right. So now we still have the flashlight on, and it's still in the box,
We can't see nothing.
but there is nothing on the wall. This is part of the experiment. All right, so we're going to turn the flashlight off. And see, there's our closer look at our smiley face. I think the box messed up a little bit, so we only had one eye of our smiley face showing. All right, so in this experiment, we learned about overwhelming light. You should have seen the stars or the smiley face on our box very easily in the dark room. But once we turned the light back on in the room, however, it should have gotten harder to see. Even though the flashlight and the box didn't change, the additional light in the room made the stars appear much dimmer. We couldn't see them at all. You saw that the holes made the stars, but they didn't really appear to shine anywhere. Why? Because the light from the sun was overwhelming the light from the flashlight. So even though the stars glowed bright in the dark room, they couldn't even be seen from glowing. So during the day, are the stars still in the sky?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But we can't see them. Why?
Because the sun.
That's right, because the sun. So when the sun goes down at night, we're able to see what?
The stars.
The stars. So what is the overwhelming light that we have?
Sun.
The sun. Good job. All right, thanks Russell fam. I hope you enjoyed our video.
Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe.
And don't forget to get off video games, go outside and have some fun. Bye!